without a doubt, one thing that's definitely synonymous with Christmas time is model trains. And it's something that I've loved ever since I was a little kid. And I'm actually surprised that I've actually never been to this place where we're at today. It's 2 days before Christmas. I finally got almost all my wrapping done. Got all the ingredients for dinner on Sunday because we do Christmas Eve at our house. But I decided to come out to Strasburg today to check out the Choo Choo barn. Now, just walking in here, you can see this place is just massive, huge layout. And it looks like this is all O-gauge, which when you have this much space, you could definitely do something like this. But as soon as you come in here, they ask you just to stay to the left, and there is an admission. It's $10, much like the Railroad Museum. So we're gonna make our way around here. It's pretty noisy in here, so I hope you guys can hear me all right. What a layout, wow. And they actually have some real live fish in the pond there. Oh, got one going right by now. Got it all decorated up for Christmas there. Oh, that's neat. They got a little cave in there and all decorated. That's pretty neat how they have this whole thing of cars here just on like a motorized belt. That's neat. Got snow on the mountains up there. And they have a gondola going across over there. We have a passenger car train coming. Got an Amtrak. And they're dimming the lights so you can see everything. That's really cool. Oh, that's so neat. And all this around here is modeled after different places in Lancaster from what I'm seeing. So right over here we have Dutch Wonderland. It's an amusement park not too far from where we are, right off of Route 30, right near all the outlet stores that are in Lancaster. and then that where all those cars were up there, there's I think it's called Dutch Haven, and it's an Amish store, I believe. And they have interactive things here on the side. You can push the button to get. So I just operated the kiddie ride there. And we'll turn the carousel. And coming down to the far end of the layout here, we have a whole entire circus. That's so neat. You can see it's not incredibly busy today, but you know, it is Saturday right before the holiday, so I'm assuming a lot of people had the same idea as I did to come out and enjoy the day. I love in the center here we have a big parade going around the town. Come back to the circus. And they have all the little, you know, little performers here actually moving. There goes Thomas. Okay, so it says push button to see the dog jump. I don't know where that's going. I just love all the outside of the trains, all the different models they have here with the you know, movements, and we got Santa flying over top here. It's just it's quite a bit to take in. Got an auto body shop there in the center. That is so neat. Well, lights are going down again. And they have little LEDs in the ceiling to represent stars, I guess. So this is like, you know, the changing of the day and whatnot. they have a combination of little trolley cars going around here on different levels. And this one's going to go back down the hill here. They have actual water running through this display too. And I love that little water wheel right there. That's cool. Well, looks like we got a little accident here. Some guy wrecked his car. This is neat. They actually have a moving escalator right there on the inside of that station. The amount of detail they put into this is really something. And I just noticed on this side they actually have skiers over there.